Let me give it to you straight. If you keep coasting through life like you were on some kind of lazy river at a water park, you're going to wake up one day with absolutely nothing. And I mean nothing, not the job, not the money, not the relationship, not the respect. Coasting is comfortable, it's easy, it's safe, and it's the exact reason you are losing in life right now. People think the danger in life is in taking too many risks. No, the real danger is sitting still while everything else moves forward without you. The market changes, people change, opportunities shift. If you're standing still, you are not staying in place. You are falling behind. When you coast, you are basically telling life, I'm fine with the bare minimum. I don't need to grow. I'll just hope nothing bad happens. But bad things don't just happen. They are guaranteed to happen when you are unprepared. Here's the truth. Most people don't want to face. Coasting isn't neutral. Coasting is decline in disguise. Think about your health. If you stop training, you don't stay in shape. For a few years, you get weaker. You get slower, your endurance drops. That's coasting. Think about your relationship. If you stop showing up, stop putting in the effort, stop dating your partner like you're still trying to win them over, the connection dies. That's coasting. Think about your business or your career. If you stop innovating, stop networking, stop getting better, someone younger, hungrier, and more aggressive will take your place. That's another definition of coasting. Now I know some of you are already getting defensive. Whoa, relax, I'm just taking a break. Here's the truth. No, you're not. A break has an end date. Coasting is when you think you're just taking a break, but you've been resting for 2 years and your life looks exactly the same except worse. It's like graduating high school and then I'm going to start college, but you don't. You know what's crazy? Some of you watching right now actually had great momentum. You were winning, you had fire in you, but you got comfortable. And comfort made you slow. You went from running sprints to strolling, and now you're wondering why your life feels stagnant. Let me tell you why coasting is so deadly. It convinces you that you are fine until it's too late. You don't see the decline day by day. You wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and realize you don't even recognize the person staring back at you. And here's the kicker. While you're coasting, someone else is out there grinding like their life depends on it, because it does. And when your paths cross, you are going to lose. Not because you're not talented, but because they were sharper, faster, and more prepared. So, how do you stop coasting and take back control? Try this. Step 1, admit you've been coasting. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't hide behind excuses like, life's been busy. Everyone's life is busy. Own the fact that you've been drifting. Step 2, decide whether you're actually going. If you don't have a target, you're not coasting, you're floating in circles, and you don't accidentally stumble into greatness. Step 3, put something on the line. Anything, put something. Coasting happens when there's no real consequence for doing nothing. So create consequences. Tell people your goals. Put money into something that forces you to show up. Take on responsibility. You can't wiggle out of. Step 4, eliminate autopilot habits. Some of you wake up. A lot of you wake up. Check your phone, scroll for an hour, get ready, half asleep, go to work, come home, binge Netflix, go to bed, and call that a day. That's not a day, that's a slow motion surrender to death. Step 5, start stacking wins daily, even small ones. Momentum is built through action, not thought. Waiting to feel motivated before you move is the exact reason you are still stuck. Let's be real. Coasting is just comfort in disguise. And comfort is a powerful drug. It makes you soft, it makes you slow, it makes you delusional into thinking you have more time than you do. Guess what? You don't. Every day you coast, the gap between where you are and where you could be gets bigger and bigger. And the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. You might be thinking, but I don't want to live in constant stress or pressure. Cool. Then enjoy mediocrity. Enjoy the same paycheck for the next decade. Enjoy looking back at 60 years old wondering why you never really lived. I'm not saying you have to be in beast mode every second of every day. That's for literally true winners. I'm saying you need direction, urgency, and refusal to settle. Because once you get going and gain that momentum, then you could turn to that true winner. Because here's the truth. Life isn't waiting for you to feel ready. Opportunities aren't pausing until you feel comfortable again. Time is moving, and the world is moving with it. If you don't grab the wheel, you're going to wake up in a place you didn't want to be, with people you didn't want to be with, living a life you didn't choose. So here's my challenge for you for the next 30 days. Remove every single coasting habit from your life. No autopilot scrolling, no skipping workouts, no avoiding the hard conversations, no I'll start Monday lies, because you're not going to start Monday. We all know that's a total lie. Replace them with deliberate action, even if it's uncomfortable, especially if it's uncomfortable, because discomfort is the sign you're actually moving forward. And one more thing. Stop telling yourself you'll start when the timing is perfect. The timing will never, ever be perfect. You have to make it perfect by starting now. And smash that like button so this hits more people who need to hear it, because trust me, there are a lot of people coasting right now thinking they are fine when they're actually sinking. Thinking they're unsinkable, but they're going down like the Titanic. If you're serious about taking control, take your focus seriously, take your habits seriously, and stop pretending tomorrow will be any different unless you make it different. And speaking of leveling up, when you level up your mindset, level up your style too. Check out Navi Eyewear. Right now, you could buy one pair and you get 4 free with free shipping. The link's in the description. Just add any 5 pairs to your cart, and the discount applies automatically at checkout. Look sharp, see clear, and stop coasting, even in how you present yourself. Now, get moving. Life's not going to wait for you anymore. Start running. Till next time, peace.